Good morning 996 fans, my name is Mate from Werk96 from Stuttgart, and today we will present you our first project. It's the chassis 001 for our great customer from Stuttgart here. He's a passionate enthusiast for sports cars and we are really proud to take you on the journey with us. This is a Carrera 2 996.2 from 2003. And we will take you on the journey with this car. The customer will get a complete package from Werk96. It will be our great engine with a 4.3 liter sports exhaust, our Werk96 suspension, a completely new interior, and the car will get our big brake kit. Today we are here at TechSpeed, our engine specialist who is building our great 4.3 liter engine. Today we are doing the first steps, putting all the interior out and check the car if everything is all right for our build.
The guys at TechSpeed are working wonders here. With them being so efficient, we are already prepared to drop the engine today. And so far, we can already say we made a good buy. The chassis looks to be in a good condition for its age and mileage. We already had the car on the lift in the morning, and all the corrosion we have found so far is not too hard to get rid of. But for now, let's watch the guys at TechSpeed remove the engine and make the car ready for our detailer. With the engine removed now and the wheels and bumper back on, our car is now a rolling chassis. It's now ready to get transported to the detailer where the car gets dry ice cleaned as the final step before it goes to the body shop.
Hi and welcome back to another day of the build of chassis 001. You see the car in the back. Previously you saw us removing the complete interior stuff, the engine, the transmission, prepared the whole car for detailing, and today we are here at route detailing doing the dry ice cleaning on the undercarriage to get everything clear for the preparation for the paint job. We already started the job at the car. We did the dry ice cleaning on the right side of the car. You can see all the details, everything is fresh and clean. The right side is unfinished and we will start today with this side of the car so we can show you the details before and after.
ice, the undercarriage of the car is now fully cleaned up. Right after the dry ice cleaning, our detailer gave the car a final wash, and now it's on its way to the body shop, where the car will receive its new 5-layer paint job and also gets rid of all the corrosion that's left on the car. Stay tuned for the next episode, where you will see the full process of painting our chassis 001. And if you like today's video, consider subscribing to not miss any future videos like this one on the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon.